Have you just submitted your immigration application, have a trip coming up, and don't know whether you can leave or not the country? Stay tuned, because in this video we will explain whether you can do it and how to do it correctly. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Blanca, lawyer at Balsys Group, and in this video we will explain once and for all whether you can leave Spain while you're waiting for the favorable resolution of your application. To answer these questions, we will going to divide the video into 3 blocks or cases, depending on the type of application you're going through. First of all, if you're applying for an initial residency permit, meaning you've never had a residence card in Spain before. In these cases, the law states that you cannot leave the country until you obtain the resolution from the immigration office, unless your entry visa is still valid. In other words, for all initial applications, applicants will have to wait until they receive either a favorable or unfavorable resolution before they can appeal or leave the country. The second case is when you're applying for your first residence permit in Spain, but you've already received a favorable resolution, even though you're still waiting for your physical residency card. In this second case, with the favorable resolution but still without the TIE, yes, you can leave the country if you follow the steps we will explain shortly. And finally, the third case, when you already have a residency card and you want to renew it. In these cases, you can leave the country even with an expiring card, and as long as you have submitted the renewal application. That means you'll need to carry documents proving that you've already submitted and filed everything required for the renewal. So how can you leave correctly? If you fall into case 2 or 3, you will need to request an appointment for the national police to obtain what's called a return authorization, autorización de regreso. This authorization is issued on the same day at the police office, and to apply you must submit form EX13, pay a small fee of between 10 and 13 euros, bring a copy of your TIE and passport, and also show round-trip tickets. The return ticket should be directly to Spain, since the police issues the return authorization only for the date of that flight back to Spain. It's worth noting that if your flight has a stopover and you enter through another country instead of directly into Spain, the authorities might give you problems, because the return authorization is only valid to re-enter Spain, not the Schengen area as a whole. To finish the video, let's look at 2 very important tips to make sure that you get your return authorization. The first one is to book your appointment well in advance, because it's a difficult appointment to get, especially around Christmas or summer. The second tip is to provide the police with a strong or urgent reason for your trip. They will not issue a return authorization if you simply say you're going on holiday to another country, since you're still waiting for a resolution. Did you find this video useful? Then subscribe to get more tips like this one. We will publish new videos every week with the legal information you need as a foreigner in Spain. And if you'd like a personalized legal advice, write to us at info@balsysgroup.com and let our lawyers guide you step by step. See you in the next one.